Hello students, welcome to Capman Academy. Today we will talk about the topic of nitrification. So here is the topic of nitrification. We already seen in the previous video that many type of bacteria incorporate or assimilate the nitrogen into ammonia, and these bacteria were called nitrogen fixing bacteria. You can watch the previous video in which we already told about the nitrogen fixation and its biochemistry and the enzyme involved in this step. Today we will talk about the conversion of ammonia into NH4 and which can be further converted into nitrates. Now this whole step is called nitrification. This whole step is called nitrification. So we already know that NH3 is an unstable product, and when it is converted into the NH3, it will be immediately incorporated into the proteins. It will be immediately incorporated into the proteins. Now NH3 became the part of proteins. So this protein, when will be degraded due to the step of degradation, it will be converted into NH4 ions, that is called ammonium ions. It means bacteria is incorporating in a nitrogen fixing and forming the NH3, and this NH3, which is an unstable product, will be incorporated into the proteins, and after the death of bacteria, these proteins will be degraded into the ammonium ions. Now ammonium ions can be converted into NO3, that is called nitrates. Fine. But this is a two-step process. The whole nitrification process is a two-step process. Now this whole, that is conversion of the ammonium ion into the NO3, is totally two-step process. The first step, NH4 will be converted into the NO2 ions. Now what is this? These are actually nitrites. So nitrification is the two-step process in which the ammonium ion first will be converted into the nitrites, and after that it will be converted into the nitrates. Now this whole step is nitrification and require different set of bacteria. The step 1 require different set of bacteria, and set B or reaction B require the different set of bacteria. Now we will talk about the different type of bacteria which are involved in the step A and step B. Okay, fine. So in the step A, the bacteria which are involved are called Nitrosococcus and Nitrosobacter. These two bacteria convert the ammonium ion into the nitrites. So can you say this is the oxidation process which requires the oxygen? Yes, this is the oxidizing process. Nitrification is the oxidation process. Oxidation of what? Oxidation of ammonium ion. Now first step will be done by the set of bacteria named Nitrosococcus and Nitrosobacter, and in the second step another set of bacteria named Nitrococcus and Nitrobacter will be involved. Nitrobacter will be involved in the second step. Now these bacteria use the nitrites as a substrate and will convert it into the nitrites while oxidizing the substrate. It means this is also a oxidation process, which require the oxygen, and this will be converted into the NO3 ions. Now this NO3 ions can be taken by the plant, can be taken, that means absorbed by the plants like this. Ammonium ions cannot directly absorbed by plants because it is quite toxic. That's why plants prefer the source of nitrogen as nitrates. So nitrites or in sometimes nitrates can be absorbed by the plant, and this will be converted into NO3. That NO3 will be converted into the incorporated into the amino acid, and these amino acid will be converted into again into the protein. So can you say that actually this atmospheric nitrogen, it's the ultimate source for the nitrogen for plant as well as the animals. This is all about the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle was started from the N2, which is nitrogen, which is converted into the NH3 by the process of nitrogen fixation, and that will be incorporated into the protein. After the degradation or death of bacteria, these proteins will be converted into NH4, and this NH4 will be converted into the nitrites and the nitrates with the help of through the process of nitrification process. And when nitrates are present in the soil, it can be absorbed by the plants and can be then again incorporated into the proteins. These proteins can be taken by the animals or the directly humans. So these were all about the nitrification process. In the next step, we will see the denitrification process. So thank you for today. Thank you very much.